Once upon a time, there was a little bear named Toby. Toby loved honey. One sunny day, Toby thought, I want to find the biggest honey pot. Toby walked in the woods. He looked up. He looked down. Where is the honey? He wondered. He saw his friend, Lily the bunny. Hello, Lily. Do you know where I can find honey? Toby asked. Lily hopped and said, Follow me. They walked and hopped until they found a big, golden honey pot under a tree. Yay! Toby clapped. Thank you, Lily. Toby and Lily ate the honey. It was sweet and yummy. They played until the sun set. Toby was happy. He had found honey and played with his friend. What a sweet day! And they all went home, happy and full of honey. See you again. Bye-bye.